Hey folks, Troy Dooley, the Beachside CEO. Hope you guys are rocking it out. You know, we're out here by the lake just having a blast today. But next month, and this is very powerful, we're going to be in Franklin, Tennessee. It's a suburb of Nashville for the DS Edge Conference. Now, I believe that the DS Edge Conference is probably the #1 business educational school in the network marketing direct selling arena today. I mean, bar none. We're going to cover compensation plans with the foremost expert in compensation plans. So if you're wondering, have I got the right one? Did I draft it right? Will it work in my software? I tell you what, you want to be there at the conference. If you want to look at demystifying the MLM laws, and I tell you what, this is huge because we see so much regulatory activity right now. We're seeing Wall Street, we're seeing short sellers, we're trying to figure out what's a pyramid, what's a Ponzi, what's a true, legitimate direct selling company. If those are questions that you're wondering, you want to be there because we're going to demystify what the laws are. Some of the other stuff, 9 things you need to know before purchasing MLM software. What vendor should you go to? What should you be asking that vendor? This is very, very important. Matter of fact, I would say next to recognition, next to paying your compensation plan expert, software is where you're going to put the most money, and literally it can become an endless pit if you're not careful. That's where it'll just drain you. So you want to be there just to hear some of that. Social media best practices. It's easy for us to look at independent professionals and decide what's best for them, but what's best for you as a company owner? What's best for the culture that you're creating? You need to know these things. It's very important. Merchant accounts and how you're going to pay your independent professionals. This is something most people don't think about. All of a sudden you're ready to launch, software's in place, product's been created, and then you wonder, oh my gosh, what about merchant services? And not every company likes the direct selling industry. We're going to have an expert here who not only can show you how to create or how to get the best merchant service policies, fees, everything that you're looking for, but they'll also show you how to best pay your independent professionals when the time comes. Some very powerful stuff right there. We're going to look at founders programs. We're going to look at 8 ways to fund your business. Now think about this for a minute. Getting the money, making sure you're well capitalized is important, but what about if you have big distributor kits, you have big things that you need to take care of? We have somebody that's going to share with you how not only you can fund your business, but you can help your independent professionals fund theirs. It's going to be some pretty powerful stuff. Learn how to grow the culture from the very beginning. See, this is important, and a lot of companies miss this. A lot of companies lose track of it. You have to know specifically what that culture is going to be, and it all revolves around you as the founder, you as the executive team. It's very, very important. Some of the other stuff, regulatory spray that's happening right now, what does that mean? Answers from there's going to be all kinds of people there, and we're going to sit down as a panel and you get to ask us questions. It's going to be great. And 20 secrets to literally growing a successful, I'll get it out, direct selling company. This is some powerful stuff. DirectSellingEdge.com. If you put in the discount code NASCAR-rules, you'll get a discount. I think it's like a 25% discount. We're going to have a great time. This is something I want you to listen to right now. This is important. Every consultant that's going to be speaking charges hundreds of dollars an hour, literally, to be able to have you sit down with them, have you talk with them. That's just the going price. So for you to be able to sit down with all of these guys, all these girls, being in a panel setting one-on-one and talking to them, literally you are going to be able to enjoy your money's worth. You know, that ticket I think is a couple $100, but when you think about how many people you're going to get to talk to whose fees literally are hundreds of dollars an hour, you get the best end of the deal. It's going to be fun. We're going to have a night on the town where we're just going to hang out, have some blast. You get to meet everybody personally one-on-one. You don't want to miss this. So hey, live life like it's an epic adventure. Stay dangerous, stay strong, and if you're in network marketing, act like it.